So this is a video to introduce G minor in book 3. So first of all, we're going to do the tonalization in page 8. We're going to go through the whole of that page 8. So we got the normal tonalization. And then we have the minor one. The only changes are low ones, and they are low fours. The low fours are right next to the 3, and the low ones are quite low down, which means the 2s and the 3s are going to be all separate from each other. So low 4, again low, and then from there we can also do it on the G string, A minor, that would be C minor. I would spend more time on the G minor as much as possible until we get the new pattern ready. So low 1, 2, 3 and low 4. So 1, 2 and 3 are separate, 3 and 4 are together. Low 1 right next to the edge. Not too much, a little bit higher than the edge. So one more time. Very important that the 3s don't change and the 2s don't change, stay in the same place. The 3s are still our ringing notes that our references. After that we got the G minor scale, which is very interesting. We're starting on a G, low 2, normal, high, low, and on the way down is low 1, low 4, right next to the 3, low, low 2, low 1, low 2, normal 1. So play this a few times until you really understand how it should sound. There's also the arpeggios. I will play through them so that you have an idea how it sounds. That's the first one, then it goes low 1, low 4. The more we play this new pattern, the more we're going to get used to it and more in tune we're going to be. One more thing we can do that is pretty easy is called Twinkle in G minor. Starting 3 on D, across, next, we're starting to train our ear to G minor and getting used to the sound of it. There are more things we can do in G minor, like long, long ago. So review of those pieces in G minor would be a great idea. And then we can start looking for the notes for the second half of the second piece, Minuet 3 from Book 1. As we review this, we can start to look for the notes for the second half. Next to the 3, start with the low 4. If we stay there, low 4 and low 1 on E, that's quite tricky. Very important, keeping the 1 and the 4. Low 1 and low 4, those two need to be together at the same time. And then we're going to get them in tune. Now, the other one we can also try is just to get used to how G minor sounds. And the last thing is, as a review piece, I will go back to Mignon. Review the whole piece, but especially the middle section. The middle section is in B flat major. It's not G minor, but it has the same pattern of fingers. So reviewing this is going to help our hand to shape for the G minor. So I'm going to play for you. So as you see, this new pattern of G minor is not actually new, but instead is actually a pattern that we already used, it's just in a different key. So if we review those pieces and we try the new pieces like Twinkle and Long Long Ago in G minor, starting on 3, with the low 1s and the low 4s, we're going to get those G minor really in tune. Good luck!